Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you haven't finished your gift shopping yet, what are you doing? It's getting very close to Christmas. So today I wanted to talk about my third and final part in my gift guide series. So today's gonna be $50 and over. If you haven't yet finished your holiday shopping, then I hope that this gives you some good ideas for things that maybe you want to spend a little extra on for those special someones. Someone's, I don't know. So if you haven't finished your gift shopping yet for the holiday season, I hope that this will give you some good ideas of things that maybe you decided you want to spend a little bit more money on. Just a warning, this will get very expensive very quickly, but if you're interested in seeing some luxury items that would make great gifts, then please keep on watching. So I want to start off first with the Armis Beauty Luminizer set that comes with a brush. It's $86 and you can purchase it on RMS Beauty's website or on Nordstrom. So this gift set comes with 3 full-size luminizers and a brightening brush so that you can use it on your inner corners, or you can use the brush for lip colors, whatever you want. But this is such a great gift set for anybody that loves highlighters or wants to get into highlighters. These luminizers are all beautiful. So my next gift idea is from Take My Face Off, and it is their Neiman Marcus exclusive gift set. It's $60 and it comes with 3 middies. So it comes with 1 large, 1 small, and an extra pink midi, which is so cute. It also comes with apricot kernel oil, a bag, and a headband so that you can pull your hair back while you're cleansing your face. It's such a great idea, and I love that Neiman Marcus is selling these because it's not something that you find super often. It's a great reusable beauty tool, and I just really love it. It's such a great starter set. My next gift idea is actually for Hanukkah, and it is by Take My Face Off. It is their makeup middies, and it comes in a menorah. I think that's so cute. It's $66 on their website, and you get 8 white middies. They're all the mini size, but you can clean your whole face off with a small size midi. So I think that's such a cute Hanukkah gift. You rarely ever see anything for Hanukkah, so this is like marked specifically for Hanukkah, and I think that's so cute. I love that. My next gift idea comes from the brand Glycelene. They make luxury vegan natural skincare, and I love all of their products. But I want to talk about the eye repair oil as a gift idea. It's $68. It comes with a stainless steel roller ball on it so that you can roll it around your eye area and depuff while you're applying the product. And then you just massage it in, and it's just like a nice oil, and it smells like cucumbers. It smells so good and it's so relaxing. So if you know somebody that's interested in skincare, this is a great product for a gift. The next gift idea is actually from Glycelene as well, and it is their skin supplement luxury face oil. It is $112, but the bottle will last you for months because a little bit goes a long way. It is a really nice face oil. It doesn't feel greasy or oily. It just like goes on and absorbs into your skin, and it leaves your skin feeling really, really nice. I use this regularly as it's helped a lot with my eczema. So it's great for people with eczema. It's great for skin that has rosacea or psoriasis. Great for sensitive skin. Great for anybody, actually. Like, you don't have to have like sensitive skin to use this. It's really great for all skin types, and it just makes your skin just feel very nourished. The next product I want to talk about is the Glycelene Seatox Mist. It's $70. I've been using this for the past couple weeks before I apply my makeup, and it is so nice. It's a facial mist, and it is made with sea botanicals and antioxidants and oils. It helps you hydrate and protect your skin, as well as support cell renewal, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it helps to decongest and detoxify your skin. I've been really loving it. It feels so nice when you apply it, and like it just cools off your skin, and it's a really great product. You can use it before you apply your makeup, after you've applied your skincare. You can also use it to like refresh your makeup throughout the day. So it's like a really cool product that can be used more than once daily. So if you are interested in like facial mists, I think that you will really like this one. Another product by Glycelene that would be really great as a gift are their golden ice globes. They are $125 for the set of 2, and it's basically like a massage roller. So you can use them, you can keep them in the fridge if you want them extra cold, but after you apply your skincare and your like eye oils, you can just take them and like massage your face with them, and it helps to depuff, and it helps to cool down and like reduce inflammation in your skin. I really, really like these. They are also beautiful to look at. So if you're interested in like skincare tools, I think that would be a really great gift too. My next gift idea is also from Glycelene, and it is their lip prep kit. They are only available on her website or at Neiman's, and only for a limited time. Their kits are like super limited quantity, but it's $59. It comes with the probiotic lip polish and the Femme de Rose lip remedy. Lip polishes are so great because it exfoliates all of the dead skin off of there, and then the lip remedy is super, super duper hydrating. I really like those products, and it's such a great kit for only $59. Like, that would make a really great gift for anybody. My next pick from Glycelene, it is their Limonchello hair oil. I talked about that in my November favorites. It's $70, and it's not available on her website yet, but you can purchase it through her Instagram page. They're working on fixing up their website, so it hasn't been put up yet, but it is such a great hair oil. I have been loving it. It smells so amazing. It's been used in 5-star resorts across the world. It is so great, and it leaves your hair like silky smooth. I really love it. So if you're into like hair care and having your hair smell good and being nourished, then I would definitely recommend that as a gift for you or for somebody else. My next gift pick is by Honua Hawaiian Skincare, and it is their Honua Ritual Set. It is $148, and it comes with their Pa'akai facial cleanser. It comes with their Hawaiian Beauty Water exfoliating water, and it comes with their Aloha Youth Serum and Olena oil. I love Honua Hawaiian Skincare. All their products are so great. I use them on myself daily, and I use them on my clients as well. They smell so good because they're all made with Hawaiian botanicals, but the products are just so great for your skin. They have such wonderful ingredients that are so beneficial, and this is a great place to start if you haven't tried out their line, because this gives you all 4 products that are to be used like together. So it's a really great place to start with them. My next gift idea is for the makeup lover, and it is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. These can be purchased on Hourglass's website, Nordstrom, Sephora. They're $80 each, and it comes with 6 powders inside. I love the Hourglass Ambient Lighting powders. I think they're so amazing, and this would just make such a wonderful gift. I would be so happy if I got like an ambient palette for Christmas, but these would make such a great gift because it does come with 6 shades. I know that there's the Unlocked palette that comes with 2 like ambient powders. It comes with an ambient strobe powder, and then a bronzer, and then 2 blushes. And then there is the Ambient Edit 4 palette, which the shades are just slightly different in there. But both would make a really great gift. I also want to talk about the Hourglass Ambient Bronzer, which is $50. You can get that at Sephora, Hourglass's website, Nordstrom, pretty much anywhere. They are huge, and they will last you a long time. I use an ambient bronzer on myself, which is what I have on now today, and the colors are so beautiful. So they are like a bronzer mixed with like a highlighting powder. So they like blend together and just give you like a beautiful bronzy glow. I really like those. They stay put. They're not gonna melt away on your face. And so I think that that would make a really great gift if you're into bronzers. For the amount of product that you get and how long it lasts, it's such a great deal. My next favorite is by Saje Wellness, and it is called the Pocket Farmacy. It's $59.95, and it comes with 5 essential oil blends, and these are really cool. So one side of it is a roller ball, and then the other side is like an essential oil dropper. These work so well. There's one in there for like headaches, there's one in there for like stress relief, one in there for like decongesting. I think there's one in there for like pain relief, and it's like such a cool gift. They like the essential oils are really nice, and I really like the way that they work. Like I've had a headache a few times, and I've just like rolled it on my temples, and within minutes like my headache's gone because it's just like cooled it away, and I really like that. It's cool just to keep in your purse or keep in your backpack, anything like that. I think it's a really great gift. A friend of mine that's a makeup artist, she was telling me about it, that she's given that as a gift before, and then I went out and purchased it because I was like, well, I want to try it and see if it works. And it really does work. I really like their products. And like I said, it's great to just, throw in your bag and keep on you in case of an emergency. So I think that would make a great gift. So for my last $50 and up gift pick, is my most expensive of the gift picks. It is the handbags by von Holzhausen. They range in price from $55 to $695, and you can get anything from a card holder to handbags, backpacks, pouches, like makeup pouches, or even duffel bags. They have products for men and women. They are all now currently cruelty-free products. So they're made with their Technic leather, which it feels exactly like leather, but it is not leather at all. It is environmentally friendly, it's non-toxic. It's my current favorite handbag that I've actually ever had. Purses and makeup and shoes are like my favorite things, but their handbags are so amazing. I do have a couple that are in the classic leather, which they no longer sell because they've transferred everything to being the Technic leather, but I do have a Technic leather bag, and it is so soft. It's scratch resistant, it's waterproof, it's super durable. Like, I'm not easy on my handbags. I like stuff them with all kinds of things because I'm going to work. I just throw everything in my bag and I'm like, oh, I have to take it with me, what if I need it? Like, you can put your coats in there, like whatever. But their products are super durable and they're such high quality. And not to mention, every purchase of one of their bags, they donate a portion of the proceeds to women's shelter here in Los Angeles. And I think that that's really awesome. Like, you don't hear of many companies that are doing that. So I think that's really cool. And if you know somebody that's a handbag lover, they will love this bag. Like, just everything about it. I'm obsessed with all of their handbags. They're just like so great. I currently have the tote bag, which is massive. Like, you can literally fit like your whole house in there. And then I also have the mini bucket bag, which is the one that I've been using currently. And I love it. It's so cute and it fits a lot of stuff in there too. But yeah, I'm just a super fan of von Holzhausen. I just think that their bags are so beautiful. So if you have special someone that, you really want to spend the extra dollar on, then definitely get them one of those bags. I can't recommend them enough. So that's it for my $50 and up gift guide, and actually for my gift guide series in general this year. I hope that this has provided some type of information for you that you can use, and that it's helped you maybe pick out some gifts for people that you weren't sure what to give them. But I really enjoyed making these. I love shopping, and so putting together like a shopping gift guide was super fun because I'm like thinking of all the things that I love, and I'm like, ooh, I would love if somebody gave me this as a gift. So, I thought it was cool. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these videos. If you did, please let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And whatever day that you're watching this, I hope it's a great day. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!